Hey guys, let's have a look at number 3 here. The diagram shows a cross-section through two guard cells, I believe, which labeled structures would also be found in an animal cell. So it looks like these are plant cells, right? They're plant cells because they are guard cells. So let's look at the structures. So as you can see, W should be nucleus, right? Because it's the biggest circle. X looks like it's a membrane. Y looks like it's chloroplast. Z looks like it's cell wall. So the main difference between the animal cell and the plant cell is or are that the plant cells have cell walls, they have chloroplasts, and this question is asking the labeled structures that are also found in animal cells. So we're not going to talk about these two as an answer, right? So it's the nucleus and the membrane that are also found in an animal cell. So W and X. Hence the answer should be A for this one. A. Okay? Sweet.